on. We gotta get out close. Alright guys, we're back in Los Angeles. There seems to be some sort of commotion happening right over there. Boom. Not really sure what's going on, but bad news guys, the check engine light is actually back on. Not really sure what's going on. I'm gonna take the car for service, but we got Mr. Hedgehog here accompanying Mr. Sheep. He made the trek 6,000 miles from Milan from a grocery store. So anyways, today is the 70th anniversary Porsche marquee for the Sunset GT. So be prepared to see a lot of the similarly looking cars. What the heck is that BMW? Hold on. 700 horsepower. It's got a Hello Kitty wrap. Nice. All right. So you guys always have to read the signs here in Los Angeles. There's 3 different signs here to park, but I think we're good on a Sunday. It's only 10 a.m. So anyways, let's go guys. Dude, the wheel game is strong. The GT3, whoa, matching GT3. This guy's got red wheels. That guy's got blue wheels. Only in America, baby. Dude, forget the Porsches. Got an Aston, dude. Look at that plate, 1987. Jesus. All right, check out this BBI Porsche right here. We got a cup holder where the tow hook is. Starbucks, man. Wow. That's how you do it, I guess. Well, if you guys are a fan of Porsches, today is our vlog. It's Porsche Day, the 70th anniversary. We got GT3s, GT3 RSs, 911 turbos, all sorts of Porsches for you guys to gander at. Here's the Ferrari section of the Sunset GT show. Nice. Chrome gold accents and rotiforms on this Huracan. Huh. And he's got the vape going on too. Wow. Dude, check out this Vanquish Volante. Look at the wheels, the blue calipers, and the interior as well. It's got the blue accents. Holy smokes, this thing is absolutely stunning. It's hard to see the dark blue color in the, oh, there it is, in the sunlight. Probably my favorite car here, guys. Dude, we got the XKRS in ultra blue. That's pretty sick. And we got the Corvettes being turned away. I guess the registration still applies here at Sunset GT. Yikes. What a plate, guys. Yeah, what a plate. Nah, dude, I'm rich. I got it. Wow. All right, guys, we're currently here waiting for the run to start. We got this Haman Evoque Range Rover. Check this thing out. What the? All right, okay. And we got this guy with the BHPD license plate. Look at that. Supporter of the Beverly Hills Police in the M3. I like that, guys. Dude, check out this Previa. I used to have a Toyota Previa back in the day right here, and we got a Toyota Prius as well. Got quite the combo, man. This is the F-Spot OG combo right here. Of course, we brought the SVR out. All right, we got a pretty solid lineup here. We got the SR, RA, McLaren, Porsches, BMWs, what have you. Of course, the single, one and only Jag. That'll be taken up with a check engine light on, mind you. Thanks a lot, Jaguar. But anyways, we're gonna roll out and see what happens. All right, we're gonna go, we're gonna do the dual cam setup here. We got camcorder number 1 and we got camcorder number 2 in my hands. Here we go, guys. White one too. Oh my gosh. Someone's done the burnout up there. Whoa, did you see that chameleon colored Tesla? Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, that's nice. Goes the white AMG GTR. Apparently not part with the rally. Uh-oh, we got a pretty upset woman here. It's like, hey, what's going on? Hey. Woman is so mad. Oh, that's uh-oh. Well, I can't can't tell if she's mad or happy.
I think she's laughing.
Oh, okay. Goodbye. Hello. Oh, straight into traffic. Oh my God. For those who are wondering if there are rear seats in the back of the California, yes there are, and we got Noah Galoob in the back. And we've been thwarted by Los Angeles traffic once again. It's an SLR, here we go. Oh, by the way, you can't really do that in Europe, undertake. It's a big no-no. You get pulled over for that shit, by the way. But in America, we just gotta do whatever we want, right? Look at this. ACH, we got a couple snack routes. We got Baja Blast, dude. You guys gotta stock up on these things. Check out the plate right here, guys. Ricer X. Holy smokes, we got a gas station takeover. We're gonna be headed out pretty soon, so stay tuned, guys. Dude, straight through the red. Holy shit. We got the biker gang here. Apparently ACH is closed right now. Oh! Apparently ACH is closed right now, so we're gonna have to take a different route. Scratch that. It's not Ricer, it's Racer with a V, and he's put a little piece of tape. Huh, I like that. Over there having no idea what's going on. It's a fuckboy takeover here at ACH. Caught up with the entire crowd. Uh-oh. Watching a DDE video or something. Oh! What? Going. Hey. He's not done yet. Jesus Christ almighty. Mr. Teddy Bear on this BMW bike. Nice. All right. Spirit animal, so to speak. That is that. Parked next to the JDM crew here. This car doesn't really fit in. This car is not much of a canyon car, to be honest. By the way, fun fact for you guys. Let me unlock the door. The check engine light is off again. Hold on, wait. Come on, baby. Show me the money. Yes. We're in business. We got one 4x4 in black on one side. And check out this tan 4x4 on the other side. That's when you know you're back in Los Angeles, guys. Oh, and a G-Wagon. Well, I know I just got back from America, but dude, what the hell is with the gas prices here in Los Angeles? $4 for premium, and that's sort of on the cheap side too. God damn it, man. Oh, yeah. Someone just done a burnout here on Rodeo. Are they gonna do another one? Oh. Whoa, you got squirrely there. Whoa. All right, guys, it is the end of the day. Hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. We got the Herbalife. He spelled nutrition wrong. Oh, by the way, Herbalife is a pyramid scheme. Don't fall for that nonsense, guys. Well, anyways, enjoy the vlog. Catch you next video, guys.